Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Aquaforce Lips is probably one of the most sought-after lip care products on the market right now, and for good reason. This innovative formula promises to deliver unparalleled hydration and a plump, luscious look, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their lip game. We've put it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype and if it's truly the ultimate solution for dry, chapped, or simply less than perfect lips. Number 5. Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25. Introducing our Intense Therapy Lip Balm. It provides essential sun protection with SPF 25. Shield your lips from harmful UV rays with our built-in SPF 25. Keep your pout protected all day long. Experience superior hydration with our nourishing formula. It combats dryness and keeps your lips feeling soft and supple. This balm not only moisturizes but also soothes chapped lips. It's your go-to for comfortable, healthy-looking lips. Make it a part of your daily routine. It's the perfect lip sunscreen for everyday use. What we like. This balm offers excellent sun protection with SPF 25, making it ideal for outdoor activities. It deeply hydrates and soothes dry, chapped lips. If you spend a lot of time in the sun or need reliable daily protection, this is a great choice. What people say. The Aquaforce Lips provides excellent hydration and a smooth application. Its unique formula plumps the lips effectively, giving a fuller appearance. The long-lasting effect means fewer reapplications throughout the day. Number 4. Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips 3-Pack. Discover the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips 3-Pack. It's designed to provide intense moisture for very dry lips. This lip balm offers deep moisturization, perfect for when your lips feel very dry. It helps to restore and protect. Each balm comes in a convenient mini jar, making it easy to carry and apply wherever you go. Enjoy a subtle, rosy tint that enhances your natural lip color. It leaves your lips looking healthy and feeling soft. This 3-pack ensures you always have your favorite lip treatment on hand. It's the perfect solution for soft, hydrated lips. What we like. This option provides a subtle rosy tint while intensely moisturizing very dry lips. The convenient mini jars are perfect for on-the-go application. If you're looking for a touch of color and deep hydration in a portable size, this is the one for you. What people say. The Aquaforce Lips has a very nice design. The product works as expected and is very effective. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other products. Number 3. Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment Pack. Introducing Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment. This pack is designed to provide intense moisture for your lips. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips. This balm effectively relieves discomfort and restores smoothness. Experience deep hydration with every application. It locks in moisture for long-lasting relief. Get a convenient pack of 2 tubes. Keep one at home and one on the go for continuous care. Make it your daily essential for healthy-looking lips. It's perfect for everyday use. What we like. This lip repair ointment is designed for intensive relief from dryness and chapped lips. Its rich formula provides long-lasting moisture. If your lips are severely dry or you prefer a more substantial balm in a larger tube, consider this product. What people say. This lip balm is incredibly hydrating and leaves my lips feeling soft and smooth all day long. The formula is lightweight and non-greasy, making it comfortable to wear even under lipstick. I love the subtle, natural tint it provides, giving my lips a healthy-looking flush of color. Number 2. Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick. Introducing the Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick, your go-to solution for dry lips. It's designed to provide immediate relief and lasting moisture. Enriched with jojoba oil and shea butter, this balm nourishes your lips deeply. These natural ingredients help to soothe and soften. Experience instant relief from dryness and chapping. Its powerful formula works quickly to restore comfort to your lips. We've kept it simple and gentle. This lip repair stick is free from fragrances and parabens, making it suitable for sensitive lips. Enjoy continuous hydration throughout the day. It creates a protective barrier to lock in moisture and prevent further dryness. Get a convenient pack of 4 sticks, perfect for keeping one in your bag, car, or desk. Always have your lip essential on hand. What we like. Enriched with jojoba oil and shea butter, this stick balm offers immediate relief from dryness. It's fragrance-free and paraben-free, making it suitable for sensitive lips. If you prefer a clean formula with nourishing natural ingredients and a convenient stick application, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Aquaforce Lips provides a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring it stays in place during intense workouts. Its innovative design allows for easy adjustment, catering to different lip shapes and sizes for a personalized experience. The durable material used in its construction guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for athletes. Number 1. EltaMD UV Lip Balm Sunscreen. Introducing EltaMD UV Lip Balm Sunscreen, your ultimate solution for dry and cracked lips. This balm provides essential moisture and protection. It effectively moisturizes your lips, keeping them soft and supple throughout the day. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to hydrated lips. Designed for active lifestyles, it offers water resistance for up to 80 minutes. Enjoy your activities without worrying about constant reapplication. Our formula is enriched with transparent zinc oxide, a gentle yet powerful sunscreen ingredient. It provides broad-spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. This lip balm is perfect for daily use, ensuring your lips are always protected and moisturized. Keep it with you for on-the-go care. What we like. This sunscreen lip balm offers broad-spectrum SPF protection with transparent zinc oxide, and it's water-resistant for up to 80 minutes. It moisturizes and protects dry, cracked lips effectively. If you need robust sun protection that stays put, especially during water activities or prolonged sun exposure, this is your best bet. What people say. The Aquaforce Lips has a unique design that makes it stand out. It is very easy to use and provides excellent results. The product is durable and built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.